Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I see there's a lot of questions, so now I'm going to take you also to this question that was asked. How do you attach your PDF documents? So we have two places where you attach PDF documents. So now I'm going to take you through it. So let's see. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the student portal, definitely to create your profile, right? So you're going to either log in, sign up, or if if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. If you do, just go on and log in. Okay, if you are registering for the first time, there's a video on my channel. Please make sure you go and check it out. So I believe you're talking about this part. I'll show you what you mean. So I believe you're talking about this part where you're supposed to fill in here your image. Make sure that your image is 350, and here you need to come and browse. So I'm assuming you already have your ID. You're going to come to the ID part. Either is it on your photos or where is it? Wherever it is, make sure that you have it. Hold on. Okay, downloads. So you're going to come to your downloads. Let's see, documents. Then you're going to check the one that you have. God, I really don't know where mine is. But honestly, okay, so I'll just explain because this can't happen. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here to the picture. You're going to take the picture that you have. Here they have told you is JPEG or GIF or PNG. You put it there. And then for your scan ID, make sure that you browse where it is it in the drive or wherever it is, then you come and click it here. For me, I tried to click the one that had both sides and it didn't work. So what I did is I just put my ID, the front part. So you can do that also. And then there's another part where they wanted you. Is it just that? I think that's the only part where you're supposed to do that. And for the continuation of the question that was asked, HELB scholarship, it's here on your right hand side. Make sure on your, not right hand side, on your left hand side of your device, you're going to see HELB scholarship. And once you're there, you're going to come to this part. Then you're going to open it. Once you open it, you're going to give your consent. Then after that, you're going to agree, save and proceed. Then you're going to read the terms and conditions. You'll agree. If you don't agree, I don't know, but I'm sure you agree. Then you're going to fill in the details of your next kin. Next kin is someone, who is, let's say your mother and your dad. Those can be your next kin. Payment details, you're going to fill it in here. Scholarship payment details, you're going to come here. Either you're making the payment, the 3,000, you have to pay it here. Then you're going to see the copy. You can do an Excel or PDF. You can save a copy of it. And then it's going to come here once you've paid, right? So now there's the final stage of the application. Also, you're going to put the next of kin, payment details, and okay, I can't go further because I'm not applying for that loan. But that's basically what you need to know. So I hope this video helps. So if you want a scholarship, just come on your left hand side of your page and make sure you apply for it. It's going to come there. HELB scholarship, it's on there. After, just right after your profile, there's the HELB scholarship. All right. If you don't understand, please make sure to send me your question and I'll gladly answer you in the comment section. So I hope this video helps you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. That's the only way that you can say thank you, and it will help my channel grow. So please leave a thumbs up, write a comment, and share this video to anyone who wants it. And one-on-one, you can also send me an email. It's on my bio. Just make sure you send me an email with your details and I'll be able to help you. Without saying so much, have a great evening. Bye bye.